Captain, out on these rolling seas, we appreciate every small win. Let's learn how appreciate steers our journey to the next island. Meaning 1. Be grateful for something. Appreciate means to feel thankful for something someone does. Example, I really appreciate your help with the sales. Common use, I appreciate your help. We appreciate your patience. I appreciate the crew. Meaning 2. Understand, recognize the value or importance of something. Appreciate can also mean to understand how important or serious something is. Example, we must appreciate the danger of hidden reefs. Common use, appreciate the risk, appreciate the value, appreciate that storms change fast. Meaning 3. Increase in value. Appreciate can also mean to go up in value over time. Example, harbour houses appreciate when trade grows. Common use, prices appreciate, property appreciates, investments appreciate. Eyes on the current, Captain. Place appreciate exactly where our sentences need it.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Strong work, Captain. When we appreciate what matters, our course stays true. Call the next word and we'll sail on to the next island.